Hi, I'm Matt from eSpares. In this video, I'll show you how to replace the control panel on this Samsung Eco Bubble washing machine. If your control panel is cracked or damaged or difficult to read, it's a good idea to replace it. Thankfully, it's a nice and simple replacement to do at home. I'll take you through it now. Before carrying out any work, make sure your washing machine is turned off and fully disconnected from the mains. For this repair, you'll need a Phillips head screwdriver and a flat head screwdriver. Now, using the Phillips head, I can remove the top of the appliance by undoing the two screws at the back. Next, remove the detergent drawer by pushing down in the center here and lifting out, and then undo the 4 screws at the top using your Phillips screwdriver. And then 2 screws near the detergent drawer to release the control panel. With the screws removed, you can disconnect the control panel from the appliance. Disconnect the electrical connection by pinching the clip at the back and lifting up. Then you can remove the control panel completely. To remove the PCB from the control panel, undo the 3 screws using your Phillips head screwdriver, and then gently ease away the clips, holding it in place using a flathead screwdriver. To remove the PCB from the control panel, simply pinch the electrical connection and lift away. Remove the control knob from your old control panel, which you can then fit into your new control panel. To find the correct control panel for your appliance, you're going to need the make and model number. You can see our video here, which gives you tips on how to find your model number. You can also use the link in the description below to find the right control panel for you. So grab your new control knob and insert that into your control panel. Reconnect the electrical connection of the PCB into the control panel and then fit into the clips and re-screw. Refit your 3 screws to the PCB. Reconnect the electrical connection and then fit the control panel and PCB into place. You can then refit the screws. Refit the detergent drawer by just pushing it into place. I can now refit the top and the screws. So there we have it, one brand new control panel fitted to the Samsung Eco Bubble washing machine. Now that your washing machine is up and running again, why not take the time to get to know your washing machine settings properly? Have a look at our video down here, which gives you loads of information about how to get the best from your washing machine and to keep your laundry fresher for longer. For more tips and advice on how to fix and maintain your home and garden appliances, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.